For nearly 3 decades, we've believed the universe is expanding faster and faster, racing toward an endless future. But new research suggests we got it backwards. The universe might actually be slowing down, and if that's true, everything could one day collapse back in on itself. Our story begins in the 1990s. Before then, scientists assumed gravity was slowing the universe's expansion, like a ball thrown into the air gradually losing speed. But observations of exploding stars called Type 1a supernovae revealed something shocking. These supernovae were dimmer than expected, suggesting they were farther away than they should be. The only explanation? The universe wasn't just expanding, it was accelerating. Something mysterious called dark energy was pushing everything apart faster and faster. This discovery revolutionized cosmology and earned the 2011 Nobel Prize in Physics. Dark energy has become the dominant force in the universe, accounting for 68% of everything that exists. For 27 years, this has been settled science. Until now. Professor Youngwook Lee from Yonsei University in South Korea led a team that analyzed 300 host galaxies where these supernovae occurred. They used a different method to estimate the ages of these galaxies, and they found a critical error in our assumptions. The problem? We assumed all Type 1a supernovae were identical, standard candles burning with the same brightness. But Lee's team discovered that stars in the early universe have different properties. They produce on average fainter supernovae. We weren't seeing acceleration, we were seeing a measurement bias. When they corrected for this systematic bias, the picture flipped. The universe is still expanding, but it's slowing down. And dark energy? It might be weakening over time, not staying constant as we believed. If dark energy continues to weaken and eventually turns negative, the implications are staggering. Gravity could take over, reversing the expansion. Galaxies would begin to move toward each other. The universe would collapse back in on itself in what's called the Big Crunch. Everything, all matter, all energy, all of space and time, would compress back into an infinitely dense point. The ultimate cosmic reset button. Instead of ending in ice, the universe would end in fire. For decades, we thought the universe would die a cold death, spreading out forever until the stars burned out. Now we're facing the possibility of a dramatically different fate. Lee's team isn't alone. Earlier this year, the influential DESI consortium independently reached similar conclusions. But the cosmology community is divided. This challenges a Nobel Prize-winning discovery, and extraordinary claims require extraordinary evidence. Professor Carlos Frank from Durham University called it very provocative, but admitted it may well be wrong. The scientific method demands skepticism, but these findings can't be dismissed. As Professor Lee put it, it's like doing up a shirt with the first button fastened incorrectly. If confirmed, this would mark the biggest paradigm shift in cosmology in nearly 3 decades. The fate of the universe hangs in the balance. More observations are needed. More debates will rage. But one thing is certain. We're witnessing science at its finest, questioning, testing, and remaining open to being wrong. The universe still has secrets to reveal, and we're just beginning to understand them.